small tsu. So, to talk about small tsu, so I just had a friend ask me about when you're speaking, when using small tsu, how should you, should you do a full pause? Should it be just kind of like a short pause, like almost in the breath? And so I'm going to talk about the way that my sensei, Nishio sensei, what she taught me. So basically, let's take a word like chotto or mate. You don't want to go like a full hard pause. You don't want to go chotto, mate. You don't want to use oppai. You don't want a huge pause. You also don't want it to be chotto, mate, oppai. Like, you want to make sure that there is a little bit of emphasis on the little pause, but you don't want it to be so big like as in those first examples. So you want it to be like chotto, mate. Instead of like choto, it's chotto, mate. Chotto mate kudasai. Oppai. Things like that. So that is how I was taught by my sensei on how to use small tsu. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. And thank you for watching.